American robins are not true robins. They are members of the thrush family. Robins are one of the first birds to sing at dawn, and their song can be heard up to half a mile away. Both male and female robins sing, although the male song is usually more elaborate. Robins have excellent eyesight and can see worms and other small prey from a distance of up to 50 feet away. Robins are known for their distinctive red breast, which is actually an orange color. The color of robins' eggs varies from bluish to greenish blue. The oldest known robin lived to be 14 years old. Robins are found in many different habitats, from woodland to urban areas. Robins are migratory birds and often travel in large flocks during the winter. During the breeding season, male robins defend their territory and may attack other birds that come too close. Robins are important seed dispersers, as they eat fruits and berries and then spread the seeds through their droppings. In some cultures, robins are associated with good luck or as a symbol of spring and renewal. Robins are found throughout North America, Europe, and Asia, and there are several different species of them. Robins are omnivores, and their diet consists of a variety of insects, fruits, and seeds. In some cultures, robins are considered to be good luck symbols or messengers from the spirit world. Robins are important ecological indicators, as changes in their populations can signal broader environmental issues. The American robin is the state bird of Connecticut, Michigan, and Wisconsin in the United States. Female robins lay between 3 and 5 eggs per clutch, and they typically raise 2 broods per breeding season. Robins are known to migrate, with many birds flying south for the winter.